Last time I learned how to make thumbnails, so obviously now I'm gonna learn how to edit. A really little problem. See this clip? These black bars I want to fill. It crops the bottom. Then if I fit these black bars, and if I stretch, I added my voice over using this button, but this thing is low-key too long. So I'm trying to figure out what to do here. Alright, I'm gonna change clip speed. Freeze frame. I can extend it all the way over here. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to keyframe. So first, I'm gonna mark the diamonds next to the values you want to change at the beginning and at the end of the clip. So you can mark the start and end. Then at the end part, that is where you want to change the values. So right here, I'm changing the zoom and the position. And you can see like a little red line. It's like demonstrating the change. Okay. And then after that, it should be done. Let's see, that's first and easiest badge 6 right here from Super Bomb Survival. If you want the keyframes bar, click the keyframe button and you can slide it up. Figure out how to add the blur to the zoom. So we got the zoom right. Come here. Add dynamic keyframe, go back. Get the other set. Go back. Add dynamic over here. I'm gonna add the box. Put it where you want it to be. And over here. Control C. The new box. To do is when first thing should be in this too. Then to do is when 100 times on the hardest intent. As for cropping with a mask, you would want to go to the color tab, and then you'd add your shape. And then you'd add an alpha output and connect it, and then it'll crop. I also learned that you would always want to add movement to your scenes to keep the audience engaged. So that is exactly what I did here. The zoom keyframe, like that I talked about before, and honestly, I think it worked out pretty well. Oh yeah, everything's fine. No tip. Right here, I add text at the end, which you can do by clicking effects and then titles, and choosing whichever type of text you want and dragging it to the timeline. I chose text plus, basically like the text where you can edit most of its properties. Here I learned how to fade in / out audio by dragging a little pointer at the start and end of the audio. You can do the same thing to fade in / out clips as well. And finally, I just added an outro, some outro music, and that's that. Thanks for watching.